Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And today in your daily dose of Python, I have Sarah and she will ask you some basic puzzle on Python. So over to you.
Hey there, Pythonisters and curious coders. Welcome to your daily dose of Python from your new trainer Sarah, where I make you think, laugh, and maybe even pull your hair out over some tricky Python riddles. Alright, I've got a brain-teasing riddle for you today. Are you ready? Focus up, because this one's going to make you say, wait, what? Here's the code. For I in Ranger 5, printy. What do you think? Will it run? Will it throw an error? Or is there something off about it? Take a closer look. I mean, come on, it's just a simple loop, right? Or is it? Alright, hit the pause button if you need to, and when you're ready, let's break it down. So, here's the deal. Python loves proper indentation. It's not just a suggestion, it's a rule. In this code, the printy statement isn't indented properly under the full loop. That means Python is gonna yell at you with an indentation error. Oops. But don't worry, this is super easy to fix. Just indent the printy, like this. For I in Ranger 5, indented printy. Now it works like a charm. It'll print the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Simple, right? So, next time you're debugging, remember, Python's all about those clean lines and indents. Keep it neat. Got it. Great. If this made you think or even scratch your head for a second, share it with your coding buddies. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more riddles that'll keep your Python skills sharp.